I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and comment down below. Subscribe for more content.
I love my hot chocolate.
Hey sis, where's my coffee?
Coming up, Dominic. Here you go, Dominic.
THX sis.
NP Dom.
A few hours later with Cassie and her friends.
Oh, bless you, Cassie.
Thanks. Luna. Ugh. Why am I sneezing so much?
Yikes, Cassie. You're sneezing a lot.
Yeah. No. grrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr GRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR
kids. I would have to agree with the kids. I would have to agree with the kids.
Same here.
I would have to agree with you all.
Me too. Hey Cass. Are you allergic to anything?
I don't know, Malps.
Are you going to go to the DRS to see if you are allergic to anything?
That's what my parents are going to have to find a doctor that can see if I'm allergic to anything like grass, wood or anything else.
Oh, okay then. Well, we'll see you later, Cassie.
See you.
Anyways guys, that's all for this video. We'll see you all in the next video. This is Cassie, Dominic, RKG, Malps, Sunny, RKG Jr., Luna, GoBig, Makayla, GamingMaster, Malps Jr., Sunny Jr., Timinator 900, Ivory Animate and Jack signing off. Bless you, Cass.
THX.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.